Two Black, Two Strong, Mega Blast, Asiatic Black. We in the building, inside, in the cool. I got one of my partners in the building. What we got going on today, man?
So we got a Youth Entrepreneurship Hub and a Kidtrepreneur Marketplace. So the kids came in and they was able to get a entrepreneurship lesson from the Center for Social Entrepreneurship. And then right now they're outside practicing what they learned, vending their businesses, getting some good treats out to the people, some good crafts and all type of stuff.
Okay, so what made y'all do this?
So youth entrepreneurship is always something that should be focused on, and more now than ever, youth want to own their own businesses. They are seeing it online, they're seeing it on social media, so we want to empower them with the opportunity to do so as young as possible, get the correct information in front of them so they can learn what it actually needs to take a business from one step to the next step and to where you can be a CEO and have employees under you. And then we also want to make sure they can implement them skills, so that's the marketplace part of it.
I like that. So is this the first one?
So this is the second Kidtrepreneurship Marketplace. This is the first educational hub. So Lady Godiva Productions put together this event. She brought in Center for Social Entrepreneurship. She was able to bring in Refill Jackson, which is the host venue and also has workforce development. And then she brought myself in with the Kidtrepreneur Marketplace. So just a gathering of great minds to put the event together today.
All right, so lastly, man, what message would you have for the youth out there?
Keep going. It's going to be hard times. It's going to be slow business season. It's going to be high business season. But just continue to keep going and keep your mind set on the goal.
We are just promoting our youth, just helping them, empowering our youth, letting them know that it's people talk about a lot of bad about things happening in Jackson, but we have a lot of good things happening as well.
Now, I like that because we have a lot of people from other communities coming into our communities and kind of making us look bad, but there are some positive things going. Can you tell me some positive things that are going on today?
So today we have a lot of youth who are interested in becoming business owners or have a business idea, or maybe they've already started, maybe baking treats or whatever product that they're selling. And they have the opportunity not only to learn how to start a business, but how a business operates, and then they actually get to practice that.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm gonna let you rest for a minute. We're gonna get some of the kids a little bit later on and see what they got to say, all right?
I'm Caitlin Brooking. I'm the Executive Director here at Refill Jackson.
Tell us a little bit about it.
Sure. So Refill Jackson, right here in West Jackson, we are a workforce development program for 18 to 26-year-olds.
And how long has this establishment been up?
We opened in 2019 as Refill Cafe, and after COVID, we had to close down the cafe, but we kept serving young adults with workforce development. So we do 4 workshops every year. We do a small cohort model. We teach workforce skills, so resume writing, interview skills, professional communication, and we also do wraparound services here at Refill.
Okay, so who all have you teamed up with today?
Well, we've got Lady Godiva Productions, run by Representative Zakiya Summers, who is also on our board. We've got R3 Impact with Ray McCants and the Center for Social Entrepreneurship. Did the entrepreneurship class today. We also had some great sponsors, Community Bank, Huntington Bank, and Sugar's Place over downtown.
Shout out to all of the sponsors. And what message would you have for the community?
Young folks, come and see us here at Refill. We love to be a space where young adults can just kind of figure out what's going to happen next in their lives. So we love young folks. Come on down and do something positive here at Refill Jackson.
Let's refill it. Asiatic Black.
name is Zakiya Summers. I serve as state representative for House District 68. My district covers Hinds and Rankin counties. But I'm also an entrepreneur myself. I own my own business. It's called Lady Godiva Productions, and I specialize in event planning and public relations services. And so it was pretty cool to create a space for young entrepreneurs, tell them a little bit about my story, and to help them build their own businesses too.
Okay, so you explained earlier that this is your first one,
Yes.
doing it on this caliber.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about it.
Absolutely. So it's called the Youth Entrepreneurship Hub. And I'll tell you how I got inspired by this idea. My son participated in a workforce development program, kind of exposed him to some of the trades. But he was like, Mama, I really wasn't interested because I want to own my own business. And I said, I like that. I said, because I believe in telling young people how important it is to have multiple streams of income. And I said, so we need to teach you how to start your own business. So we created the Youth Entrepreneurship Hub. We have 14 young CEOs in the space today at Refill Jackson Initiative. And we talked to them about what kind of problem are you trying to solve with your business? What's your pitch? What's your tagline? Does the price that you sell your product, does it outweigh the cost so you can make a profit? What are the ways that you can help promote your business? How do you provide good customer service? And I was very impressed by all of the young people because they were on point and they were yearning for the information. So that tells me that this is something that young people can buy into. And so we're going to look at how can we expand this program and get real specific on those topics and concepts that they need, because we want our young people to understand that entrepreneurship is a way to build financial independence. And you're an entrepreneur yourself.
I was about to ask for people like myself that's into black-owned businesses and that sort of thing. How can we be a part of it?
Absolutely. So you can go to my website. It's LadyGodivaProductions.com. You can find me on Facebook, Lady Godiva Productions, or you can send me an email at LadyGodivaProduction@gmail.com. But on our website, we have a page dedicated to the Youth Entrepreneurship Hub. And the way that we're going to expand it is based on what the young people tell us they need. So if they want us to focus on just social media, how to use social media to advertise, we're going to focus on that. If they decide that they're ready to step into creating an LLC, we're going to focus on that. If they want to focus on, how do I attract my customers, then we're going to focus on that. So it's however they want to take it. And I especially want to just take this opportunity to thank some of the people that helped me with this. Mm-hmm. Of course, Refill Jackson was our venue. I serve as a board member for this organization that's doing amazing work. So it was great to expose the community to Refill, but also Community Bank, Huntington Bank, and Sugars, which is a restaurant downtown, Black-owned by Miss Glenda Barner. They helped me with providing financial contributions for us to put this together. And it was absolutely amazing.
I saw that. Well, I appreciate you. I thank you for extending your hand out. And we need this. Yeah. So y'all make sure y'all show this part. You know what I'm saying? Y'all show all of the other stuff. Make sure you show this part. And I'm glad to be a part of it. Thank you.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
All right.